In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive traffic for Gumroad, get more sales. First, make sure your Gumroad product page is rock solid. Start with a clear, specific title so people instantly know what they're getting. Pair it with high quality thumbnails and short previews that show the product in action. Then write a compelling description that doesn't just list features. Explain the benefits and the results buyers can expect. Think outcomes, transformations, and who it's for. Clarity here boosts conversions before you even start sending traffic. Next, post short-form content every day. Share quick videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Show tutorials, helpful tips, behind-the-scenes results, or fast product previews. Keep them snappy and valuable, and always include your Gumroad link in your bio so viewers have a direct path to buy. Consistency matters, so batch create a few clips at once to make daily posting easier. Use SEO-friendly keywords in your product title and description so your listing is searchable. Be specific and niche-focused. For example, Canva templates for realtors instead of Canva pack. The clearer your keywords, the better your chances of being discovered by the right buyers. Offer a freebie to bring people into your world. A sample, template, or mini guide works great. Use it to collect emails so you can later promote your paid products without starting from scratch each time. Build your email list with value-based messages. Share launches, discounts, and useful content consistently. You're building trust with every send, so keep your emails helpful and relevant. Join niche Facebook groups and communities. Lead with value by answering questions, sharing insights, and helping members. When you do mention your product, keep it natural and avoid dropping links repeatedly. Quality engagement beats spam every time. Start a YouTube channel tied to your niche. Create tutorials that solve real problems and mention your Gumroad product naturally when it's relevant. Over time, your videos become evergreen traffic sources. Run limited time discounts to spark urgency. Phrases like 48-hour sale or limited offer can nudge fence sitters to act. Create discount codes inside Gumroad to keep it seamless. Leverage Pinterest for long-term traffic. Design eye-catching pins in Canva and link them straight to your Gumroad page. Pins can rank and resurface for months. Collaborate with creators in your niche. Offer affiliate commissions so partners are motivated to promote your product. Add testimonials and reviews for social proof. Real results build trust and lift conversions. Finally, promote consistently. Most sales come from repeated exposure, so keep posting, keep emailing, and keep testing different content styles. Stay patient and keep going.